Yeah, this is what Jamaica look like right now. Be a breeze and rain. So I go on out to speak with my family. Yes, my people, we're under the weather. We're under the weather as promised from yesterday. Although them say Friday to the start. But the meteorological center, you know, they already warn us. So they don't know. But they are on the weather from man and people. But they want to catch a breeze. When the breeze are rock the tree them. Rock the boat, you know, and it's a rocky tree them so. But it kind of die down and now it's rain. And as you can hear in the background, the water on the road, car are driving at it, and you hear it right behind me. You know when it come off of the house stop. And you know, the peak of the house stop is just right behind me, behind this wall. So when I come off of the house stop, I drop a ground, I'm supposed to hear it. But we're under the weather speak with my family. And as I say, all I want the people in the rural part of the area of the country, you know, especially in the lower line area, please remember, take it serious. There's a flash flood watch. Please take it serious, alright? And don't drop asleep in the middle of the night and sleep right through. Sound. Get up every little chance you get to get up and look around your surrounding. Don't wait till the danger come around then, you know, when you could have an easy chance of getting out. That not work out because the thing is get so worse that you can't even come out, and by the time emergency rescuers reach you, it's too late. So in a them time, yeah, when you just go to the bed at night time, if you can't sit up for the whole night, it's better off and catch a sleep in the morning when, you know, more people up and out and running where you can see things. Alright, my people, you know what to do? Just continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Give me that double hit there. You know that double impact there? Bang! Video. Bang! Likes. Alright? And remember to watch the ads. And continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Today is Thursday. I might have a live later. You know? Yes, because 2 weeks now no live no go on the channel. One was by mistake and last week because I did sick as you know. And remember, the young entrepreneur college student, our link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Go ahead if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, Life with Gabby and Chevy, and give her a subscription. Please and thanks. Help her to reach at 1,000. You know? And remember, you ask her to get it. The link of my Cash App or the Cash App is in the comment section pin also. $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I use the gift that you use and give me. For what reason you like me, or you just like the job or like the channel or whatsoever, when you just feel it in yourself you want to give me. When you give me, I give it to somebody who is in need, you know. And you know, whether a young student who can't find lunch money or an elderly person who is, you know, confined to bed, wheelchair or sick or something, and just, you know, probably don't even have a strong family background, and you know, it's just strange if you do a little thing here and there, you know. Or even a young person who fall on hard times, whether somebody with a child or somebody who know willing to work and used to work, and circumstances might, you know, them lose them job, or probably because of health issues them can't work no more, and you know, yeah. And if you're living in Canada or anywhere in the world and you don't use Cash App or Zelle, you can contact me at 876-221-9789 or 876-340-1701. You know, or we can go the vintage way. You know the vintage way like Western Union, MoneyGram, etc. And this is some money at a new place that me hear about. Alright? Anyway people, it has been a long while. It has been a long while. Yeah man, it has been a long while. I don't even peep over Marcia, I don't even look over there. But I don't know why it takes so long. But last night I look over there. And I don't know what Dr. Love and her have, no, she always in a passa with Dr. Love, or Dr. Love always in a pass with her. But she come out and she go on with herself. That she tell introduce Dr. Love to come advertise cake for 99, like 99 tell her say she look somebody to advertise her cake. Would you not go tell Tina to go find people to advertise her cake? You know, see, the young 1-year-old baker, I beat her bad already. Anyway, people, we're going to get into the video with Marcia, but please reminded, although, I don't know, from the ear Marcia, and then, you know, them story up our head, we're going to go and hear this whole heap of cloth, not even Pink's fabric, not have so much cloth. Not even if you go down a LP Azar, you know, find so much cloth, alright, so much things make out of cloth down there, alright? So you can stay tuned for that. And not left out this out part, because you know she love that part there too when she just don't see artists, and although some might may try to get rid of it, I don't want to hear it. Alright?
Mood. Me kind of in one mood where me wish all of my enemy them that just drop dead. That's how me feel right now.
I always wish bad
wish
to
all
people.
of my enemy them that just disappear from this earth. No, for real. Me want them go before me. Me sick and tired of these abusers, these thief, these obia working people, and these people who continues to cause propaganda and mischief in people's lives.
So Master, may I ask you one question? You don't feel like say people have you as enemy for one reason or the other, just as though you have people as enemy? Eh? Why you always want to come on the internet, come wish people the worst? You always want to wish DEAD upon people. Why? Eh? No, sir. And you have grandpicnic, you have picnic. Plus your life live and other relative. And you ever want to wish that upon people. Why? And you have enemy out there. I mean, I think them a wish nobody like that upon you. Because most of probably who you have as enemy, you know, now take it that deep. And because you are a clown, they continue to clown you out because them see. Say, them can just say XYZ. Just like other people can just come in your comment and say certain things and trigger you off.
So with of course, me not in a good mood. I'm sick and tired of these. I'm sick and tired of these black, non-emancipated Negro people. We try to put you down all the time. We just sick and tired of it.
Because of the rain people, the weather, I mean, I get
sometimes it seems like they will, because you know people call me this. I know somebody reached out to me this morning. It was like, Marcia, we want you to stop. You know, Marcia, I am this and this and that because whatever it is, try to ignore them. But it's very hard to ignore people.
Yeah, big man.
It's enough, it's enough.
And them now physically harass you.
It doesn't matter how them see you
like
in your office of time.
What hard about it for a big man like you? Eh? Most of these people don't even know you. Most of these people never ever met you a day in their life. These people are not harassing you physically. These people are not seeing you and passing you and harassing you verbally. It's over the internet. And most of the time you go in search of these people. Most of the time your people them send things in your phone. You can not have to look on it. So you always are going search. So of course you can avoid it. But what? You choose not to because you love the passa and the chaos. And if you come out, you come cut all kind of cloth and all kind of suck, lollipop, liquor bar. You understand? Yeah, you like that because as when you go on like say, people only find content from you, but you find content from people also because the whole of we do. So it's like a content for you, so you love it because you find some most of the people them will watch you. This is what they watch you for, nothing else.
The way the people them just grudge me for my perseverance, the way I put myself together. Even when
it's not costly for you to do that. So you're going to something costly.
Them still talk about you. Eh? Because I look like say through them obia now work or is supposed to work. They're mad. But you see you over the fence, I have something for your blood clot. Mark my 10. I have something for you.
How
Just
long
wait
now?
until in the week here and see. And I want you to come and take a front seat.
A long time. Yeah, I said that,
I
master.
want you to
Long
come and take
time.
a front seat. Because I know say all these years I'm a pussy I look. And just because you couldn't get me pussy your mother. Nothing else. Every night you go to bed, you dream about this virgin pussy. Because you don't top watch me all these years and always come and tell me, say, Marcy, I want me to find a man. You need a man, you need a man, you need a man. But
Bird of a feather really flock together, you know. Cause the same thing T-Gal that say, you know. Yeah, man. Every man who she and them fall out on the internet, just listener, them a look her. You understand? Yes, man. Every man who she and them used to probably, you know, talk with over phone or see even 1 or 2 times eye to eye. When them fall out, them did a big front. Them did a look her. She not do it with Ashanti. And yeah, she do it with Bob. You understand? Recently. And probably many others.
true you not get me pussy, you turn against me. Because when the fox can't get the grape, him say sour. Because you can't chat nobody, because you don't have nothing. You don't own nothing.
Dr. Love say you not no grape. Dr. Love say a lemon you have, so you always sour. Him not have to say you sour. Because no grape you have a lemon. Dr. Love say a lemon you have. Boy, you not no grape, a lemon you have. A crossbreed of lemon with lime. That you have. Crossbreed of lemon and lime. So you just judge that how sour that is.
You understand? I have my lawyer that I hired last year that I paid to investigate your finance and what you own, who you are, how many places have you lived, and I check you out thoroughly. And I was gonna sue you for a certain amount of money. I could even sue you for 10,000 because you don't have shit.
But Master, you find yourself in a point that last year you said. And just couple months, cause 1 year not done yet. And depends on when last year. You go in your pocket and take money and do that according to you. And now you need money more than anything else. And from the whole of last year come down you ball about money and need money. Come I can remember as far back as last year Christmas. Well up to 2 little balloon you have to beg on your platform. And you take money go pay a lawyer for you to seek out a next man's business. Look at you now. You need the money more than anything else.
If you have anything else in Jamaica, you have it. That's why you run God Jamaica so often go open tool shop. And I sell sheet and curtain just like me and handbag. You don't have nothing. You don't have to talk about inheritance, you don't have to talk about money. You is a garbage man. You walk and pick up dump. You walk and pick up garbage from road and sell it. I don't pick up garbage and sell it. I go straight to the company and I buy my stuff brand new. I don't walk and pick up scrap metal. Me don't want a dead wood man. Talk, call me name. I don't want no alcoholic and no hobby worker call me name. Call the hobby.
So Master, him never look at then, him get it. But him fail. Yes, Master man. You said the man a look here, you don't want him and him not get you up. You know, he might carry feelings here, but no me here, you said the man. You understand? Something wrong yourself. It look like the man get it and him fail. Or something wrong with you. And you fail him, Johnny. You understand? Yeah man, look like you fail the man, Johnny. So how you know say the man big and dead? How you know that? No sir.
Way I work, yes, it bunks my business, but for how long? Because I told you you're gonna come on this page and you're going to confess, and you already start confess from few months now. A peer confession I do, so you can't talk about me. We have something for your blood clot. I hope the 1st of November it went well for you. I hope the 1st of November went well for you. How did that go, motherfucker? How did that go? How did that go? How did the 1st of November went for you?
Somebody said if you ask your master, come here. Somebody just text me and say if you ask you, how was the 30th of October go for you? What was it? You get extension of time to live in the people in place? Or what? Because the 30th of October, and you're concerned about the 1st of November, which is just a few days after your 30th of October date, you know. So how it go? Come tell me how it go before Dr. Love tell me how the 1st of November go feel. Somebody said, if you ask you, not me. So no come at me. Please no come see me. I know me. Somebody just call me and say if you ask you, how was it 30th of November or October?
How did that go? How did the time you're there talking about me on social media, how did you first? Because I mean, this lady texts me on these people page that are looking money. The other day somebody called him and said, why you keep messing with Marcia? He said, listen, I am messing with her because she's a money maker. She's a money maker. When you call her name and when you talk about her, you get views on my page.
Yes, as we say every day though. Because every day you come out and talk, so your name, a big name and big deal, and when your mind, your mind where you can't mind yourself. Eh? Your name can't carry you through. If you want 5 sheets to sell tomorrow morning for the money to do something, you come out and you talk about it and all next year. The 5 sheet not sell. I tell you already I know your name, man. It's just like the people them like when others clown you out. Because you already clown out yourself, you know. So the supporters of social media like when other people, other platforms will come and clown you out. So because them have you as a clown, when platform will come and clown you, they do get the support and views from the people. But on the flip side, it's not your name, because if your name was the real thing and real deal, you would have use your own name and make money too, which that not happen for you. So stop coming out and going like say it's you or your name. No.
That's what he told the person. When I talk about her, I make money by YouTube and Facebook. So what happened? They run to come on Facebook and drag you down. You understand? Coming in no way over there, me or somebody say over there talk about inheritance, somebody not giving nothing. Don't worry about nobody giving up, because you never dedicate nothing, you dedicate away. Me and you was adopted. But you understand, me come straight in.
No man, say the same thing. Don't just say you and him was adopted. You just said before your daddy gave away. Then your mama not gave away. Master, your mama did give away. Remember your mama gave away? So what's the difference? You and him in the same trap. You and him in the same clique. So we have come tell the man how him foot dirty and cracky heel back when you're one cracky like Spanish Town Road and dirty just the same way like Riverton. It don't make no sense to talk about it. Your daddy gave away. The two are adopted. Yeah, but you left out the give away your mama give you away. But yeah, I like the man daddy will give him away.
$1 million house. I don't know where you come. You come American name in pussy. I came up into a religious house. You understand? When you get your paperwork and you woman carry you come up here, you.
Me no want to see that a religious house there. Because it's supposed to aunt it like how you aunted Marcia. Because if you come up into a religious house and grow up into a religious house, at the age of 50-year-old and you in a phone even presently know upon this video behaving like this, me no want to see that a religious house there. And if a religious house you grow up in, me no want to grow up in a none. Me no want to grow up in a none. Because me no want to be no face card. Me no want to be no fake. Because you could have never grow up in a religious house as according to you and come out to be this a bad seed there. No amount of water will catch you under the ground, you can't bust out. You're a bad seed, man.
Come up here and name pussy at an early age. I come your way. Nobody want to give me away. My daddy.
Your daddy give you away. Nobody want to give me away. Then I give your mama give away. When you realize you are saying what you are going to say. Your daddy give away. Nobody never want to give me away. And I give your mama give away.
Never want to sign nothing. You understand? It take long for him sign it. We have to trick him for signing it. Because him say him not give away picking him.
Give still end
that's
up
the
get
difference
give away.
between
Whether
me and you. Me and
you
you
don't
was
have to trick
adopted.
him, flick him or sick him.
Appear fuck
I give
off.
away,
You
you
get
get give away
Jamaica
same
woman
way. You
abuse
give away like a
you.
puss
You know, grew
kitten.
up good. I grew up very well, so
Your parents give away like a puss kitten. You understand? Because them say you're bad getting. So them give away say if your life could have changed, but your life not change. You see, you say sister them life change. Eh? And you're the only one couldn't change. You're coming like a black puss. Yeah man, you're coming like a black puss. When me I grow up, people afraid of black puss, you know. Because them always say them, you know what me I talk about. So people afraid of black puss, nobody don't want to own no black puss. You're going out there at night time and see the puss up on all the fence. You're afraid to go in. You're going there, you buck him up, you take away yourself. And you that is like a black puss.
you will take out your frustration for me. Don't take out the frustration for me. And me take my pussy and beat you. And
you know, this is why probably so much, you know, sadness and bad luck follow you, you know, woman. And not only just you, for your belly pain. Because you always try to wish the worst to people no matter what. You understand? You always try to wish the worst to people. You understand? You always call them DEATH from people. You know? No matter what and how simple the scenario or the case is, you always want to see the back of people. But listener.
a young girl, I stay at Jamaica and turn thief and criminal, make the police them shut up your blood clot. And that you should have do. You should not come on social media be a piece of society. And I rob people their money all these years and I tell them about other man. And when you was robbing them, you know how much people you rob? Don't come take out your frustration for me. Don't come take out your frustration on me, honey. Me know me blessed and highly favored. It don't matter what you do, you can't put me down. So you try your best, go find the woman who abuse you with her pussy. Abuse you. Who fuck you off from you little bit. That's why you come. So cause you're a batty man. You don't know pussy from a bigger peer. You don't see your feminine and stay and dress weird. Even dress. You don't have nothing. Use a workless piece of dull cutlass for your man. You don't see a peer man, you understand the 360 peer woman who no take set pan.
So Marcia, cause people more than have nothing. What you have, Marcia? What you have? You didn't have look a dry shit in your ass. What you have? All your hype and boasting this when me come in a phone come know you with. It take like 1 week to bring you right down. 1 week it take to bring you right down. Autumn, winter, summer. You understand? Yeah, it take like 1 week to bring you down. All them hype and big cotton, bra that and makeup and vehicle driving when you come out of Jamaica and when you go on for your cruise and you go on for your this and your vacation and you know, your resort. I was serious say all those things was coming from your pocket. It never come, not even haps them what you talk about. Cause it come like you love America because of the freeness, you know. Because you have all kind, you can't tell everybody about. People live America long before you could have even know about them, the apps there. And you can't tell them about them, the apps there. Because it's like you spend time, sit down and search the free apps them. And when we say free apps, it's not really free in a sense. Because it's like a credit card. But the apps they provided where all you have to do is sign up and automatically you can use the app for whether 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. And you pay back the money. You understand? Them sit there live off, you know. And you now walk no way. So basically, you stress yourself out to prove to the world, say you live lavish. When you are not living lavish after whatever you gain during your 30, 40th year of being an adult. You understand? Yeah, you live lavish. On phone and show people resort and this and that. When you're living lavish offer a next man pocket. Since winter, autumn and summer, come and expose your whole business of being on some charity vacations. You come right down to no level at all. Not even crab leg you eat no more. And you blame it on your cholesterols. The doctor say your cholesterols are high. So your cholesterol high how long now? But you still eat almost different type of meat we carry high cholesterols. But it's just that those type of meat is a little bit cheaper than to go to whichever place you go buy your crab leg and your lobsters. The money is not there no more.
You ain't nobody. You're a blood class crap metal boy. You nobody. And me a follow. And me a get inspiration from. That's where you turn against me. From the day me tell you how much money make a Jamaica on the sheet and curtain them. You fly go sell them too. And then you turn against me. When me tell you how much money me make a yard. Remember boy, and me a follow. And me a follow sell things. And me make you know so you can't go to Jamaica sell things. Because me tell you how much money when me talk to you behind closed door. You can't chat to me. Chat to who? Chat to who? You have time to talk about inheritance. You don't get nothing. My family own hundreds of acres of land all over Cocoa, Taylor and Brown. You can't chat to me if you got Jamaica.
There you go again. There you go again. What do you have? What do you have? Taylor Brown and your name Campbell. That's a 3 different names you have, you know. 3 different surnames. Taylor Brown Campbell. We're not talking about the Taylors. We're not talking about the Campbells. We're not talking about the Brown. We're talking about you, Marcia. What do you have? So I saw you're non-ambitious that all these people see it in themselves to have ambition, to have things. But you, non-ambitious, that you never see it worthy to have things in a life that you are saying you don't want a house. Which having a house and a car is everybody dream from them a picnic growing up. And the first somebody here said them, especially a Jamaican, said them don't want no house. I don't want you don't want a house. At your age you never put nothing in place in land of Merrimaca. You understand? You never put nothing in place. You never put in the hard work. And the little way you do and gain, you know, you floss it out. Because flossing was what you set your eyes on, muggling, you know, to prove to people how you can enter this big broad straw hat, you know, like you're a Lady Gaga, or you know, you're one of those big superstars, and you're up on a yacht, or you're up on a ship side, showing that okay, I'm on a cruise, or you're at one of those resort area. That was what you have in your intention as your goal, nothing substantial. No farmer foundation. Because when I hear a woman like you for your age now say, you don't want a house or what? If you have a house, you don't have to move from one place to the other. And if you have a house and roach night, a year house, you don't have to sweep them if nobody see them. You could have pushed them in a one corner and make them stay there and dry. Till ants dry them away. You understand? But now, you have to move from place to place because you don't own a house and a people own. So you expose all of the breeding of roaches that you breed up. Every day you come, the Taylor have this whole land. What you do towards the land with the Taylor and Brown have? You ever send one day and send one money come and say, the piece of land where a bush up, or pay them the excavator and make, or the tractor, or the landscape man, they make them bush out that 15-acre land. They ever do that yet? But every day they are foreign talk about people land. Talk about your own. Talk about your things. People things is not yours. God bless the man that has his own.
Alright, now if you don't have no feeling in the house, all I will not chat and I don't have no blood clot. Me have land can be lost anyway. Drop it up a lime scale, drop it anywhere in a Cocoa Walk. You don't have it?
Alright, so for instance, you have the land and you get the opportunity to build on the Taylor and the Brown land. You don't have a red cent in your pocket to buy the first 10,000 block or 500 block. Put it that way. You don't have a red cent in your pocket to buy the first 1,000 block. Because if you move from one place for this hype at girl where you is, and you have to run up and down here, there and everywhere, government subsidy. and have the heart to come on phone as a hype girl and show, see it here? Government give me this, see it here? Come take this black guy, come take this buff guy, come take this raw, come take this, see it here, come take this, and this is a great one. Oh, people forgot you for government subsidy. Eh? You're going to see what you have to work hard for and did that save your money.
You don't have it? Me show us some daddy, me show us some blood daddy Lincoln and my dead left give me. And me show us some mother dead left land here, all our family, all our sisters them. We can't drop it.
To show you how you're born worthless. Eh? To show you how worthless you're born, you know. You're born very worthless because if you can born and see your blood father and mother have things in life and you grow up now and have nothing. You understand? And it never needed to have, but now you come and praise what is not yours. And I tell people, say, you can't do this or you can't do that. What if them never provide? What if them never have ambition? Where you could have come and talk about? So you know, want CJ, your grandson come talk about what you have. Non-ambitious woman. You know, want CJ and your grandchild come talk about what you have and live off of your inheritance. You don't want to provide nothing for them live off of, but you want to come live off of other people own.
So we're going to make a big woman and make no sense. We have to live. We can't just drop piece of tick any blood clot way in a cocoa walk. Yes, up a lime skill anyway, don't a clot it anywhere down the so we can't drop anything. We don't have the privilege to do that. You can't talk about me.
You don't have nothing.
You can't talk about me. Go find something to do.
Go
find something to go worry about things. Your problem. You have bigger problem than me. Don't worry about me. Go worry.
People in America not even 5 years good. And when I say that America not even 5 years good. Where achieve so much more than you. We did it over 40 years. And these people is not people who mix up in a wrongdoings and mess. These people are people who leave Jamaica with a strong heart and a strong mind and a willingness to go out there and work and achieve to reach them goal and make a few sacrifice. So instead of them yam 5 times a day, them yam 2. A good breakfast and a good dinner. You understand? Them don't want to go on no cruise and no ruse and no tools. Them don't want to eat no crab leg and no fab leg and no lab leg. You understand? And them save and get them goals across the line. In short space of time than what you in America for. And every day you praise America. What, for be a person of free mentality? That's what you praise America for? To make you be a person of free mentality. If I that need to praise America for any country, to have a free mentality, go away with that, because you never mean me no good.
About your problem. That you figure do. Go counseling, because you need counseling. You need to go sit down in a one blood clot alcohol and a misleading. You don't see how you look. You have blood clot 41, you look like a blood clot 65. My brother almost 68 years old, you can't walk in my blood clot brother shoes, not there at all. Oh, my brother look good for 68 and you have 41. Look how you look. The doctor didn't start blood clot right if your wickedness. If you're for your wickedness.
Why not compare with you?
What you have in America? What you have? I never even see you show your passport here. Are you a citizen of the United States of America? Have you ever blood clot vote? Have you ever heard that pussy saying go vote yet? Have you ever heard him saying go vote yet? Have you ever vote? Are you a citizen of the United States of America? If you're not a citizen, don't blood clot chat to me.
That's all you can get up and boast about citizen of America. Citizen of America. Citizen of America. All that the president the way you to get citizenship through. If he passed away and gone, he's supposed to engrave a turn. If you know say a worthless mother like you get citizenship in a them country. We have done nothing to build them country. But you still get citizenship. Your citizenship are through default. Because you have done nothing at all. You have bring no investment to America. You have done nothing to assist America. So me know that all the president they supposed to have turn in him grave where you get citizenship through at that time. Right now you better try pray that a president that come in power will review all of them citizenship you somehow to get. Because you're one name sure for take back. Because if they ever come with something and say, let's see what you have done for America to obtain citizenship, or why you should be a citizen of America. And then check the time span where you go so roops up under America. And say out of this time span, if you call it 35 years or 30 years, what have she done? Where she were? What kind of development she have taken part in America? Well, nothing at all more than she lives on a free mentality where she go on all the apps that she have available. You know, she can borrow $1 here, $1 there. Oh yes, and all the government subsidies, she know where to find it and where to get it. Okay, bang bang, stamp she out. Revoke her citizenship. Bang. You better pray that happen. Pray. Because you going to fall in that category if that happen.
Ugly boy. They can't call my name and talk about me. As a cake season, I'm going to promote that cake. And that you figure do. Because I don't understand how is it that no come on social media. I want to worship somebody on social media. I want to care and go talk about them. Go and blog about Dana Cake. Go and talk about Dana.
You and Dr. Love. Dana come sit it one in on a passa pan phone. But he still and Dr. Love attack now. In a whatsoever you hear Dr. Love say, you come on here, you took to your life and advise your disgust and your anger. But you have to call Dana name. Dana tell us she want cake for advertise. Dana platform bigger than the whole of probably the smallest state in America. She no need Dr. Love or you to promote her, nor me, nor nobody. You know, see her people have to reach out to promote her. And she no need no much promotion more than she just come out and say she a bake. And people know say she a bake until such time. And all when such time come and she tap bake, people still a call and a come and a tap the cake at 99. So what kind of advertisement she want? Why you don't call on for your friend Lorraine? Why you not call on for your friend T-Gal and tell them to go get somebody to advertise them? You don't have a big platform. Why you not advertise them? Take up advertising work to man, because you need the money more than anything. So the same thing when you tell Dr. Love to do, you're in the same position. You need cash just like him. And you have two baker, one pan one left and one pan the right. You understand? So just be a peacemaker and advertise to the two of them.
Kate, the way my maker that if you do. That is what you're supposed to do. Me not understand.
You're not bake. And come like Dana cake sick your head also. You understand? Dana bake her cake. That not nothing to do with you and your son now. But he still have to insert her. So it come like when Dana start bake, it's not just bake her head alone hot them. It come like all you stand by your hat, on your head hot on you. Because you sit down and count the amount of money where the woman make. Worse, you did sell a few cake 1 year. And when you sell the cake, you see the amount of money you make for the few cake where you get. You understand? Yeah, you get red, pink, blue, yellow, all kind of different color you have. You understand? You send, come tell the woman, she must not send anymore because you're going to bake some cake for yourself. So you use the woman cake to promote yourself. So when then you go there now, the same stuff people them where you go sell the woman cake, you go try get on to them because you see the volume of money where are coming off for the few little cake where you get to sell, where you tell yourself, say, hey, I'm to the America, I'm gonna do this. And you're not a baker, and you run go get somebody now to bake a cake them. They put on them. I did put in her cake, I didn't remember. The show now on the red eye, pink eye, yellow eye. So up till now, it's still in the back of your head. Rotted, left them the time there. She sent 50K, come give me, I sell so much, I make so much money. And them time they did more cheaper. Judge now. And you sit down and you start calculate the woman money in the back of your head. So when cake season come, you not go torment, and you not baker. And that I reach you now, cause why you call Dana name yourself and her baking? That not nothing to do with you. Look how much other things him can go advertise. Eh? Him can go advertise, so you want somewhere for rent. You understand? And so many other things.
How is it on social media, comparing people to people, highlighting people I want to not talk about them? What kind of fucker is that? I she want to forget talk about. A cake season, go and go promote a cake and go over there and say, oh, you know, say a cake so and so and a cake so and so. Instead of you mingling in a whole statement when I have nothing to do with you. That have nothing to do with you.
So Dana cake business have something to do with Dr. Love? You and him have nothing going. So you have something to do with him. Dana cake business now have nothing to do with him, because him and Dr. Him and Dana cake now have nothing going on. You and him have something going on.
You idiot. You don't have nothing. People who don't have nothing, you must come on social media and talk. You're a workless man. Go mind your pitney them. And that's what you do. That is one of the reasons why your ex-wife.
Boy.
Come let me read up a deed. Since as you want to sit down for my name on social media, like me blood clot afraid of you. Go live your life. Go down for your knee, go ask God for forgiveness. For the whole blood clot dopey them where you drink in your belly. We are ride you at night and make you can't sleep and blood clot tormented. Pussy old Dr. Love. You may talk to. Dr. 8. And you may chat to. Come off from my pussy clot name. You don't have no commercial to do. A cake season no money around. Go work for Dana.
Send him over Lorraine. Send him over T-Girl. Them need the assistant more. Dana platform is enough. You know, see, she have a platform where people have to run to her every year to advertise them. During the year, out of the year, over the year, under the year. So we should hire somebody for. So if you're going to give him an idea, send him over your friend Lorraine and your friend Tina. Them might be a cake. They need the assistant to advertise them business. Because them platform can't do it for them.
Then I send one to
Circle
change
small.
to advertise. Just like how you left big blood clot America and go make covered fear. And go on like you're somebody when you up your broke like a blood clot.
Then come on, no sir, then a big deal that. A big deal that. Because me can live in Jamaica as a tradesman then. And somebody can send for me as some other country, whether small island or big foreign, to do something. We are talking about, man. A big, you know. Because people see the work when I do and the quality work when I do. That's why them come for me. They want me to say, if me a man a build grill, nobody not there at the small island that we build grill or the big foreign build grill. The person have to come a yard for me or send for me a yard. So if somebody send for him or him have to come for and find for come here come build cupboard. A big deal that for him. You make it look like it's a small deal. Like a low standard. No. Because it must worth it. Why him come down to do the job, or him come do the job within a time frame of him having other things to do, you know, or other business where him going to come down for. So allocate that time there to do the work. So you make it look like, say, okay, if they are foreign and I suffer, and them can't find food, and them have to come to Jamaica come do this. All done, so no. And then I only get up and call people dunce. I cannot analyze things before I speak about it. You know, if you can analyze things before you come on a platform, come talk, I'm not going to look like idiot.
Hungry dog. And I go on
Oh,
like
that can make the man hungry. That
nobody.
can't make him hungry.
You can't talk about nobody on social media. You can't describe nobody.
At least somebody can send for him to come do something, or him can left for him to come a yard, come do something. You can't left for him to come do. Come sit down and wait for the Benz man to give you Benz and BMW for drive up and down where your boss about when nobody can see. Our Benz and BMW man you talk about and talk to. And when you come to Jamaica, and the last 2-3 times you see you come to Jamaica, one little vaccine, you see you drive. One vaccine, you see you drive. I never see you drive no Benz and BMW yet. But you say when you come to Jamaica, be a Benz and BMW, your man give for drive. Move.
Look on the amount of pussy clot problem you have. Eh? Look on the amount of problem we have behind closed door. And you are talking about me.
The same amount
Eh?
you have
Look
more.
on the amount of blood clot problem. Oh, I'm money y'all look for your blood clot liar. You need more than that pussy hole. You need more than that. Eh? You need more than I'm money y'all look for your liar. Oh. Well, keep talking, motherfucker. Keep talking.
Well, as far as me know, him not stop talk. Because a long time I do it and him not stop talk. If him get up tomorrow man and tell himself say him want make one $500 for you for next month pay bill, all him have to just come on him platform and talk. Talk. Make them talk. Talk. All them can do a talk. 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 Hey. Yo. You a clown.
Eh? The money you look, you're not selling enough tool at Jamaica. You're not selling enough sheet. You're not selling enough dildo. When me help you to promote your dildo, when you come to me and say, Marcy, I can't be special, and me just go by your YouTube page where you invite me on Instagram, and me just say, all right then, okay, let me buy one and come on. He said, Marcy, I can't be special, and just to support your come on social media, come about me order dildo from you, and then you say, Marcy, I can't be special, give Marcy one of me fling with a blood clot in the garbage. What the hell is something you do to me? Well, little like this, what does that have to do to me? Me don't want a pink dildo on my pussy. Me don't want to pick dildo and pussy after me a lesbian. Eh? If me put dildo under my crotch, it must be a big anaconda. Me don't want a little tiny sit like that. What me I do with that?
So Marcia, now you say you have tight something. Even at this video, you say the man around on your virgin punani. So, we are come talk now say, we are doing that like a tiny dildo. Amaconda you want. So which part you have to put amaconda? If you say under your something tight, you understand? And you just say it in the video a few seconds ago or minutes ago that a virgin something you have where my run down and him can't get it. So what kind of big amaconda you want under you? A tear you want under your tear with so? Is a whole building underneath you? And you want to demolish it? So you want one bulldozer to come under it and demolish under you? Me don't understand you, Master. Every day you come on phone and you praise, oh, you're sitting tight and you have the tightest thing in the world and the tightest thing in America because you feel like you are one pitney you have. You're something tight, cause so you're talking, you know. And you have woman you have all 6, 7, 8 pitney. We all know they lock up so. 8, 7 pitney and then lock up so. Lock up. So on the amount of pitney where you have make you tight. Is it that you're born tight or how you treat your body? You understand? And the amount of you take during your young days and stretch and bust for your muscles them and do nothing, eat right, exercise and get back the muscles them together. You understand what I say to you? So when you go come and say you want hammer can down and you way you do that a little bit of dildo there. Me tell you say sit down and analyze what you say before you say it, You say one thing now, and before the life done, you say something else you contradict what you say earlier on. Because right now you contradict what you ever say in a phone, So you have tight punani, and you have the best in America, and you want hamaconda. You know what is a hamaconda? Do you know what is an anaconda? Eh? You know? That simply means you have something walking up so like one walk land. With one big old house pan it, one bulldozer down. No, sir. Something wrong with you.
Eh? What may I do with that? From me, come home and show it down in my drawer, me not even look on it. And me come over there for just, everybody was watching the live, and you come and said, Marcy, I can't be special, and me I try to boost up a sale and tell the people to buy it. You come on social media and drag me down. Oh, me buy dildo and dildo Bruk and make your fucking people over YouTube and come and talk shit. Eh? You look a workless boy with your fucking like a big old dick in your trousers front.
So the dildo did broke, Marcia? Marcia, our iron dildo you did buy our glass one. Or our plastic. Cause something wrong with you, Marcia. If you really broke a rubberized dildo, something wrong with you. That the tight put on the way you talk about. And the best in America, me not think so. Something wrong. teeth underneath the mask, yeah. You have a saw blade underneath the mask, yeah. You have chainsaw underneath the mask, yeah. How you broke the dildo, Marcia? Marcia, how you broke one rubberized dildo, Marcia? Come talk to me now and tell me now. A history that you know in a Guinness book, Marcia. Marcia, in a Guinness book of world record of broken a rubberized dildo, Marcia. I wonder where you have on your Marcia. Something must wrong for you broke one dildo. Cause I doubt if it's a glass dildo. I doubt if it's a plastic dildo. And I sure no high-end dildo. I must rubberize dildo. And you broke that. Something wrong with you. How we harm you? No, sir.
In our work. The whole I wanna all of the work on a suck pussy.
Oh, you know the man have big sitting underneath him when I work. And that's the next question that I ask you. Because it seems like you and him have spend a lot of time together, whether on the phone or off the phone or whatsoever. You know? You understand? Because there's a lot of things that you say and him talk about this, that, warranat. And him did a beg you, and him did a beg you, and him did a beg you, and him did a beg you. And you know give him and you know give him, but yet still you know the man something big and dead. How you know that? So what you want to tell me say the lover one pervert? Every time him see him just take it out show you, or him send it in a video call. Or a video call you and show you. Or him send you pics, monsieur. You request pics and he send you pics and you see, you judge it as something dead, monsieur. Okay. I saw it goes still in a monsieur. And every man I go walk with sitting live. You have energy you have to bring things together, you know. Some 24 volt have to bring things. Cause you see, in electricity as me tell you, you know. You see the live and the dead are the live and the the other way with them have it, them say the negative and the positive, right, have to work together. So probably if you're not mesh with them and the big old sitting now go stand up. Because positive can't work without negative and negative can't work without positive. You understand? So if you have one big old sitting and you're not connect to him, you're not gonna see it stand up, master.
Every day, they want wrong with me. None of them blood clot can't look like me. Neither of them woman. So what not ball for? Wanna see me every single fucking day. Looking nice and fresh and well. It no matter. We all of our crosses and trials and tribulations in the beer. What wrong with me? What?
Why I prefer ugly and my skin rough. I prefer have a woman and she ugly and her skin rough. But guess what? My whole life comfortable. We not torment when we are asleep at night time. We eye and we ears and we mouth and we nose not set elsewhere from in our bed and we pillar. You understand? Because we can't sleep comfortable. So it don't make no sense you come out here with this whole heap of makeup and this whole heap of what you call it sitting with them put on phone, make them look pretty. And all them sitting there and this whole heap of cheap clothes and cheap ear where the ear they on your head, the ear just catch like a hat on your head. You understand? And come out here making it look like all is well. And deep down when you go to bed at night, you're tormented, you can't sleep. I must say that's why they come say frog jump out of that. I must say that's why they come say them put up in the house and all kind of shit. Because what tormented, because your life uncomfortable, master. Uncomfortable bad. People like Uno will come and pretend to be this type of person. And when it reveals someone is not this type of person. Before, you know, no tormented, you know. But now, you know, worse are tormented. Because things has revealed one never expect to reveal because of the type of person one is. And you can't live that life there no more to prove to the public, say, yes, see it here, where they must say a foolishness. You can't live it no more. So you intend to be tormented. That's how you just be yourself. When you not be on yourself, no disgrace can't come down upon you. So when the public not know, when them do finally know, you never did a be like you bigger than that. You never did be like you above that. It's just that and everything you come out and come set to the public. So when them do find out, them say, "Chot, then the man do worse than that. So them not do, she not do worse than that." So one of that will be a little problem. Little problem there be something for. And I like say that person not used to them the type of something they see there. One time I catch him in the gully I defecate. So if you don't see him on the sidewalk now I do it. You understand what I say to you? But when you come and go on like, it's a gold toilet you sit down on every time you want to defecate. And not care where you're there, all you have to do is press your remote and your toilet come at you. And when people look then see in a gully and tip on sidewalk kind of walk me and defecate, I saw you go look bad. You understand? So just be on yourself. Just like me, if you dirty boy up on the street. Now I make a short pants in marina, I make a tear up marina and shirt or whatsoever and them slippers a draw. Like a man downtown in a grass yard that sell up on a coal. Maybe myself. You understand? When the time comes, I put myself together and go about my ways. I look totally different. You can't even know what me. And I can adjust to any situation. As me telling you, said, I am not a pliers, I am an adjustable wrench. So I can pull more than one bolt. You understand? I am not a spanner. A spanner, if it's a 14 spanner, I only can pull a 14 bolt. When it's adjustable, you can pull up to probably a size 2 bolt up to a size 50 bolt because you can adjust to up to size 50.
Alpha, we not go on the fucking blogging page them every day and I listen to the same thing over and over on the day about Nabal. What Nabal for? After me, I want no relative. Me never know some blood clot dead. And when me dead, me don't want nobody ball for me.
Show them and I boss it, man. Say, what them a ball for you for? What them have pity upon you for? And you not have pity upon yourself. Supporters, don't ball for Marcia.
Ball for me ball for me when me alive. Don't ball for me when me gone from this earth. Because me gone to a nice resting place. So me don't understand and go on this negative page and I hear the same thing over and over.
Listen
and
for
over
marketing
and
you
over
know. Marketing you come up.
Ball for? Eh? The way to beat these motherfuckers who are talking about me is to come and buy my product. Me come out here and telling us that me moving. And me asking you to come and buy my product. So money going out, but the money not really coming in. That's a sound of it make me beat me haters them.
You see it? Every day you come and you ball for this. So this one show you say you don't have no name. You just feel like you have name. And you name people and make money off upon YouTube. Yes, your name we are called, but it's what behind calling your name. It's not your name itself. Because if it was about your name, you wouldn't have to come and ball to people for ball, buy sheets and you move and you need sheets to sell because you need money, because money spending out and none coming in and you run a business and have so much rated merchandise to sell and them not sell and you have a name and have a big platform. I know your name Marcia stop come out and come make it look like you feed YouTubers and Facebook people and you can't feed yourself because your name now carry no weight for you, so how to carry weight for other people.
If you don't want to make me happy, come and shop with me. You understand? That is what it is. You understand? We are talking about CJ in a jail. CJ is not in no jail. Just to make that clear.
Again?
So anybody out there wants to spread rumors and talk about CJ in a jail. CJ is in no jail. Take it from me, mama, right?
Again?
CJ is in no jail. So anyone...
And them say something we publish again. So, oh, you say no in a jail. The last time I see anything, you say you couldn't call in. And long after him come out, you go on phone. Yes, CJ, walk on, you alright?
Boy, I just wake up, you know.
You say you're sleeping for morning?
Yeah, man, I just wake up.
Alright, I will call you back. See there? I'm a son that me just talk to. I'm not saying that jail. Him can that jail, I'm talk to him upon phone, sir. That a long after him come out. Why you never do it when it just happen and the people them say him dead? Call him now, make the people them prove say him not dead. You gotta wait again till days after when him come out, you call him, go up on phone. Yes! Where? You can't fool nobody around here.
They want to spread rumors and talk about CJ in a jail. Don't listen to them. You understand? Don't listen to them. And Dr. 8 can't walk in a CJ shoes no time at all.
Guy come like it make for him.
In can't walk in a CJ shoes no time a blood clot at all. You go turn Dr. 8 upside down and go suck him out. Bitch, or whoever it is. And go suck out your daddy where your daddy fuck you up.
Your deeds, I tumble down on your belly pain. You wish too much for people. You understand? You always want to see the worst of people. And for God's sake, you have a boy pitney. For God's sake, you have a grand pitney. Which is also a boy pitney. Because I always, boy, you wish bad for, man, you wish bad for, you know. Alright, now that not say you wish bad for woman too. Because you wish a lot of bad for people, especially one special girl out here on social media.
Pussy clad. Come get it. And take on a tongue and wipe me blood clad ass. Motherfuckers. Come get him out of jail. Jail him if you dog. Martha Stewart got prison. Chrissy and his wife got prison. This movie star got prison. Wesley Stipe got prison. All Donald Trump almost head to prison. Got jail, go take more shot.
Your excuse poor. Where them got prison for? Where your boy got jail for or prison? Because not prison, jail for. Every minute, every other month or every other week you hear say me in some jail business with police. For you, as a woman you grew up in a religious home and coming from a good, nice background and family, this is what him turn out to be. You know, it's a retribution. You know, it's a reaction. Eh? You know, see that? You got to talk about this go to jail, that go. Where them go jail for? Where your boy go to jail for? And continue to in runnings with the law. It's not like a one-off, you know. This is becoming something too common now. Too common.
The president of the United States. Name them. Prisoner make for blood clot.
Too common, man. So, what you want to say? You know what? I can leave that alone because I don't want to go that side there. All the way you come out here about insurance, you got Dr. Ray. Come on,
live a decent life. One day at a time.
I run insurance company, I run young people where they've never job to give them life insurance and to give them all kind of health insurance. Run insurance company, I run. So all the way you talk about is have no relevance. Just continue to live off of the free mentality where US government instill in your head, because you make it look like a US government instill your free mentality in your head, you know, because of all the privilege that they give to you, you know. Yes, man.
Hey, me don't come to come show up on nobody.
Every day.
We wear all the same wig. Me have this a wig almost 1 year. Me just go find it the other day.
Because you can't buy none now. So you have to dig for all the old one them.
And me have plenty wigs. Me don't come on Facebook and show off. Me have the same blood clot wig them I wear for 1 year and a half. I wear my short hair. And when a blood clot can't come on social media, can't take off wig, nah do nothing. I mean have my wig them I mean wear them. Me not live in a blood clot dance hall. You understand? So when you can't talk about me. Pretty like a blood clot diamond. All when me hear them chaos. And when you can't look like me, no blood clot there at all. All when me dash off my wig. When no dirty pussy will can't look like me. You don't see me a magla. You don't see everywhere me go. You don't see how them say me a blood clot magla.
Yeah, put your
what kind of
name
pussy clot filter? Me go vote there the day as me walk in, a white lady come up to me and say, let me tell you something. You're one beautiful girl. That ear color just fit you. You should be a...
People always a compliment you about your look and whatsoever. You never can catch it on camera. You never have no evidence and no proof. You just walk and tell, be alive, you're not like that. Speak with mind, people. Thanks for watching again, you know. Come to the end of another video in this weather. Thursday afternoon. So, big up on yourself. When you know what to do, continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the Young Entrepreneur College student, link of our YouTube channel. Please and thanks if you have not yet subscribed as yet. Go hit the subscription button and give her a subscription. Support our young entrepreneur business. She do make tumblers, mug, customize, chains, rings, anything you want as a gift, nice gift. You know, you can check out our Instagram page and go on our website and order something and support her to help herself where her tuition is concerned. She now come out and come beg no handout. You know, she provide a platform for get some assistance and she have a little small business running. And remember, the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Bless upon yourself. Stay safe all out in the rural area. I'm out.